Welcome to Zebo Academy, a place where math meets data science. Unlock the power of numbers, logic, data, and code all in one place.
Hello math family, here we go again. We are still talking about substituting values into functions, and substitution is just about plugging values into a function. So we have been given g of x is equal to x over 2x plus 16, and our first problem, we want to find g of 0. Here we shall still plug in 0 into our function, which is 0 over 2 into 0 plus 16, which is equal to 0 over 16. Any number divided by 0 divided by any number, you get 0. Then our next value is g of 10. So we are still going to do the same. To get g of 10, we are going to substitute 10 into our function. So we shall have 10 over 2 into 10 plus 16. This is the same as 10 over 20 plus 16, which is equal to 10 over 36, which is equal to 5 over 18. Third problem, we have g of negative 4. To get this, we shall substitute negative 4 into our function. So this is negative 4 over 2 into negative 4 plus 16. This is the same as negative 4 over negative 8 plus 16. So this is the same as negative 4 over 8, which is negative a half. So math family, I hope you're getting there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So this is for the viewers. You're going to try out g of x plus h and g of t squared minus 3t plus 1. So when you try out those, you'll be able to perfect your knowledge of expansions and substitution. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and drop your answers in the comment section. See you in the next video.